Do me a favor, pick me up, take me out later. Don't worry about no paper, cause I got mine stacked up for nights like this. My life can get crazy, I deal with shit on the day.
What's up, y'all? It's Yasmin, and we are back with another video, y'all. So and it's my cousin, y'all, Keke.
Hey, y'all.
So we about to do a prank on my grandma where we pretend that one of my windows got buzzed, and we finna see her reaction. We don't know the story yet, but we finna figure out the story as to why my window got buzzed. So we finna call her, and then we gonna like hang up after we tell her, and then she gonna keep calling. So let's get to it. Yeah. Hold on, y'all. So we about to break the glass. All right. You know I'm breaking it. What type of? I gotta let it down. Okay, y'all. So we right down the road from my grandma's house. So we just gonna put the crack right here. Okay, y'all, so I'm using Keke's phone. I'm finna call my grandma.
I'm trying to expose all my hoes now.
Girl, I'm gonna say this.
Does that look believable?
Yeah, girl, that look believable. I wish it was coming from up there. Let me see. It's still aggravation?
No, she's Priscilla. I just called her.
Oh, I see it. Why you got my grandma looking old? Okay, y'all. So.
Be like, we coming down the road now.
Gonna call back, y'all.
Breathe hard, breathe hard. Hey, see ya. Somebody just broke my window.
She not answering, bro. I'm finna tell Daviana to tell her. Yeah, I'm finna tell Daviana to tell her. Hold on, y'all. She wanna act like she ain't answering, like she got a man or something. I'm finna call Daviana, y'all.
You want me to put some up? It's not gonna stick up here.
Alright. Y'all, everybody acting like they can't answer.
Go.
See ya.
Keke.
This Yasmin.
What?
Did Daviana already told you?
Tell me what?
That somebody done hit my windows out? Well, just one of them.
Somebody done hit your window out, Yas. What the hell you mean?
Yes, and my laptop missing.
So you left your laptop on the seat for somebody to see?
No, it was
window out?
it was inside of my pink bag, but I'm coming down the road though.
Which window they knocked out?
The one on Keke's side.
No, that y'all ain't tell me shit. But I'm trying to figure out why would you leave a laptop sitting on your front seat at the mall?
I'm coming down the road.
What you mean you coming down the road? Where this happen at?
The mall.
No, that ain't tell me nothing, and I don't know what you gonna do because to have that window replaced. Well, you need, first of all, you should have stayed out there and called the police.
Be like, alright, I'm coming outside.
Alright, I'm coming outside.
What?
I'm almost outside.
Well, you need to call the police, Jasmine, and get a report.
Okay, Sil.
And I don't know if they replaced your window up under that concrete collision. I don't know. But call the police.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Hurry up, come on.
Alright, y'all, so we finna go, cause y'all, we don't know. glasses.
Y'all.
I hope Daviana got this. I hope Daviana got it. I hope she got it.
Y'all, this looks so believable.
Oh shit.
She finna cuss us out.
Okay, y'all. So we going down the road now. Oh my god.
Bro, this wasn't my idea.
Girl.
This wasn't my idea.
Totally was.
I'm getting ready to talk.
You know. Look at her. Look at her. Y'all see? She outside, y'all.
Do you turn? Oh, did it? Oh, that's good.
They laughing?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
You almost hit the curve, girl. Yo, I'm so scared. Pull up behind her.
I am.
And we're gonna leave the glass thing on the floor. Yo. Come look at it. What the heck? Hello? Mine.
Y'all, her mama calling her.
I'll fix it.
Keke mama calling her to sit and call her. Y'all recorded still? Did you record it still? Alright, here, camera, hold my phone. Hold my phone.
You gotta come outside.
Huh?
You gotta come outside. I'm gonna have a flashlight. Like we can't see.
Cameron, but don't. Why are you hiding?
Did you call the police?
No, like what am I supposed to say?
You supposed to tell them you was at the mall and somebody broke your windshield and stole your laptop. What you mean? Y'all need to move this car. Y'all blocking these people's driveway. And you ain't gonna bit more make me believe that you didn't have that laptop sitting out.
Yeah, it was in here. You seen it today inside of my bag.
No, I really did not. But you need to go back to the mall, find that spot where all your glass at and call the police. I can't believe you would leave the mall and come here, knowing that somebody did this out to the mall. Go with her because you was with her. So what, they broke out that one?
No, sir. It was a prank.
No, that's not a funny prank.
I told y'all this was finna
I'm not playing. No, I'm serious. Y'all don't fucking play like that. And don't fucking be recording me, Keke.
she better be mad.
I'm not playing. You better not fucking be recording me.
I'm recording her.
What?
She's stupid, man. You got it?
You fucking be recording me.
I'm recording her.
What?
She's stupid, man. You got it?
Sin City wasn't made for you. Angels like you. Sin City wasn't made for you.